Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 3. We're at the halfway point in the course. It's really going by very quickly. First, I want to really send you all sort of a word of appreciation. Thank you for sort of rolling with me these past 2 weeks, going into the third week, with a differently designed class with hopefully very engaging and interactive activities for you to demonstrate your learning instead of a lot of traditional papers. I noticed that many of you really are doing extremely well with this, that cognitive flexibility and thinking differently about your learning seems to be fitting in very, very well with your learning styles. For others of you, for me included, even when I started working on the redesign of this class with my colleagues, it took a while for me to really get sort of into that headspace of thinking that writing a paper isn't the only way that you can demonstrate your understanding. So that being said, heartfelt thanks to all of you for your flexibility and your creativity. I loved the visuals that you were able to post for discussion in week 2. Some of you, I can tell some of you just ran with it and were able to really think out of the box. Others of you are very sort of concrete sequential, and you found your way of demonstrating your understanding with the visual, and it was all great. Thank you so much. So for this week, we're going to continue with our Jamboard assignment about theorists. If you don't remember who you were assigned in week 3, go back to the announcements and you will see them both in line in the announcement and also as an attachment for you to do that. If you have some kind of difficulty figuring it out, just throw me an email and I'd be happy to look it up for you as well. Additionally, this week, in lieu of our regular discussion, you are going to go onto the Jamboard and choose 4 different theorists that your classmates have provided information on, and you're going to comment on them. So what I'm going to ask you that you do is when you place your virtual sticky note, make sure it's a different color than the sticky note that all of the research is written on so I can see it. And it sort of stands out. Make sure that you put your name on it as well. And also try to be as succinct as possible. We don't need a lot, voluminous comments, but making sure that you're connecting your comments with the learning that you've done is really important. So that would be my guidance to you. And if you have to use more than one sticky note to put your comment, I certainly understand. Just sort of physically group them together. We want to make sure that we keep the Jamboard at least a little bit tidy so it's less confusing. The other thing I'm going to ask you to do is to take a screenshot of all of your comments on the Jamboard. Take screenshots of all 4 of them, or more than 4 if that's what you choose to do, which is great. And then just place them in the week 3 discussion. So you can just post, just put a post there saying, here are the screenshots of my comments, and just put them up by the close of the discussion at the end of the day on Sunday. If you have any questions about that, or if you have any difficulties, drop me a line and I'm sure we can work it out. Otherwise, I look forward to our getting really into the Jamboard this week, filling it out with the rest of the theorists and all of your comments about each other's work and the research that you've done on all of the theorists. It's very exciting. So take care. Have a great week. You can find me anytime if you need me. And I look forward to seeing you on the Jamboard. Take care. Bye-bye.